All right, to start as we go, we're going to create what's called a project folder. And when we create that project folder, it will allow you to save all of your parts within that folder and in that project. That way, the file associativity will be maintained and not broken like they have been in the past. Now, in the past, we've been uploading and downloading all of the part files, all the assembly files, and trying to keep those together. I'm hoping that this will alleviate this today. We can do this because the IT department has um, changed our computers to where they are no longer uh, deleting and cleaning everything at the end of the day when they're shut down. So it should be able to work without losing files. I still want you to upload and save your files into a folder in your Google Drive just so that you can have them. But this should make it a little simpler for you to do it. So and it's real simple to set this up and get started. So you'll see right over here on my window how I've got all these other projects started. So, and I've named them all sorts of different ones. Like here's the uh, grease set design. I got the old Mamma Mia set design in here as well. So those are all file folders or project folders that I created. So to do that, over here on the Get Started menu, go to New, Open. You don't want either of those, you want the project. So I'm going to left click on project, and then we're going to create a new one. Now, this is going to be a new single user project, so make sure that that is checked. Click next, and then we're going to name this AutomoBlox. AutomoBlox, and do hyphen your first initial followed by your last name. So that'll save it. Now you also need to save this on the computer's directory. So you'll see right now where this is showing, it's saving in my directory under documents. So on your desktop, on the computer that you're using, take a look and see where that is. So if you're if it's given you a user, it should put it in documents under inventor as well. Um, make sure it is. So we'll double check when I get back. If not, you can of course click on this button here and kind of navigate to make sure that it is saved onto that computer. Save it someplace other than the desktop for right now, because I don't want the freshman class when they're in here to note and see your files as well. So we want to try to keep those separate. And I'm having them do this a different way. So once you get there, you just go ahead and keep clicking on next, and then hit finish. Um, and it'll prompt you, says the project path you entered doesn't exist. Should it be created? So all you do is click OK, and it's there. Click done, and you're ready. Anything that you start to draw now will all be in the project folder, and you'll be able to maintain it. It's going to be easier for the file associativity. Uh, when you start to open up your assembly drawings, all of your part files automatically be in there. You won't lose the links, and you'll still be able to have it. So it'll be a little bit easier this year, I hope, when we do that. So make sure that you do that before you start any of your drawings today.